Hey, you awake? Hey. Hey. Hey.
Oh, you suffocated me.
No, you were sleeping hard.
Oh.
You must have dreamed it. You wouldn't wake up. You were just laying here, breathing normal.
I guess so. Maybe the pet's got me or something. I don't know.
Yeah, probably just a bad dream, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Oops. We're Justin and Jesse, and this is Floyd's in the Damn Van. We are in Torrance, California, near Redondo Beach. Our hub has kind of been Redondo Beach area. Can't tell you about our super secret parking spot. I've been sworn to secrecy. I've literally been threatened with my life if I share the parking spot. I could be murdered, so you all understand. It's really nice out today. Yesterday was super windy. We had kind of a bad health day with Dre. She has good days, she has bad days. If you guys don't know, she has a tumor in her stomach, in her abdomen area, with her being 15 years old, which is like 105 in dog years. But with all that going on at her age, she's kind of at that point where we just take care of her and make sure she's comfortable. So yesterday was a rough day for that, so we haven't been doing much filming. She seems to be feeling a little bit better today. Romo also ripped his nail at the dog park the other day, and so he is limping, he's in pain. We have two dogs that are giving us a run for our money, and the cat, he's just cool. He's just a cat, and he never gives us any problems. Go figure. But today we're at a skate park. Justin wanted to come here and see what he could remember how to do because he hasn't been to a skate park in so long. I'm just hoping he doesn't get hurt.
Howdy.
Hey everybody, we are still here in the LA area, Redondo Beach area. We friggin' love it.
Yeah. Pretty sick. Except for I'm tired of being cold. I need it to warm up.
Yeah, that part sucks. And it's going to be really hard for us to leave because it's nice here. And we've met people, we have friends. Kind of feels like one of the homie stops along the road that you sometimes find.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like
close to people.
We're all in search of that van life spot where everybody can just hang out, take a breather, and not feel like you're searching for water, searching for a place to sleep where the cops aren't going to call you. It's just been nice.
The neighbors don't hate you.
Yeah, these neighbors don't seem too bad.
And there's places for the pets to go to the bathroom easy. The cats can chill. The locals are chill with us.
We're comfortable.
Yeah. I'm digging it here. I
Yeah.
love it. We watch dolphins like every morning and every evening.
They swim with the surfers. It's really a cool thing to see, honestly.
And we've watched the sunset over the Pacific every single day this week.
We sure have.
Yep.
Romo.
But that dumbass, Romo, that sweet boy.
Yeah.
He broke his toenail. He like ripped sideways and it swelled his foot up, so he's all injured and sensitive, so he can't play or walk on it much. So we haven't been able to go on too many hikes or do too much fun shit without him.
Dre's also confined to the van. She's in a diaper 24/7 now, and she just doesn't like to go far. It's just a lot of wear on her little tiny body. So we've been more van dwelling lately instead of exploring, which unfortunately makes for kind of a boring video for you guys, so we're sorry about that.
If you don't enjoy skateboarding or enjoy the thought of me doing it and laughing at it.
We had a lot of fun filming those tricks at the skate park because you hadn't been there in so long.
Yeah.
It was literally his first time back at a skate park in like 20 years, and we just kind of have fun with it.
And my body still hurts. So
He's bruised up pretty good, you guys. It's kind of funny.
made for a cool picture though.
Ooh, check out our Instagram if you haven't, because I did get a pretty good still shot of him with the Soul Performance board. So pretty cool.
Mm-hmm. Speaking of, the day after we went skating, I went skating, I was at Planet Fitness and I came out and I told Jesse, I was like, there's an old dude in the shadow just grunting the whole time, like making weird noises. And I was thinking about how he was weird. And then I went to sit down and the bench was a little lower than I thought. And from my back hurting too, I sat down and went, oh. And I was like, damn, I'm that old dude.
You're the old man in the shower making the noises.
Yeah. I was like, freak, Randy.
You
I'm
hit
old.
that level.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
No, we're going to do the serial killer stuff this week.
yes.
We're getting it done.
Our plan is to go along the trail of killing that Richard Ramirez went on to kind of show you guys what those places look like today, bring you a little bit of history from that, because that was a serial killer that rocked the whole area. People were afraid to go to bed at night.
Yeah, I don't think he didn't like have a motive, so
Yeah.
people just knew of him as a terrorist that he was.
Pure evil, pure crazy.
POS.
Ugh. But anyhow, we're going to check that out. And then hopefully we've got a few other little things potentially in the works next week.
Yeah.
So stay tuned. And then I think we're going to do a change of scenery soon.
Has something else to do with death.
Da-na-na.
Speaking of, see the sticker here? Proves I've been to the Whaley house.
He's had that sticker on there since San Diego, you guys. Alicia and Dave, send help. They went with us there. I'm sure they don't have their stickers on still.
That's how much they mean to me. It was abysmal.
Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I noticed that there's a good chunk of you who are not subscribed, so we can see that, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Do us a favor.
But for real, since we're already in Los Angeles, if y'all know any like directors or famous rich people that want to make us rich and famous, maybe connect us, you know, like let them know, like, hey, we got a couple here that wants to be rich and famous too.
Yeah, we'll do it. If someone's got to do it, we'll do it.
Yeah.
Why not? Unless it's bad.
Yeah.
Is that what you're alluding?
That's what, yeah, Hollywood's got some interesting characters.
They do call it Holly Weird for a reason, I believe.
Yeah.
Alrighty, guys.
I'm tired, so sorry for the low energy, but don't put that in there, probably.
If you think of anything cool in LA that you think we should go do, drop it in the comments. We're always down for a recommendation. Doesn't mean we'll go.
Take into account that we're helicopter parents over our pets.
Yeah, we don't like to leave them far away in the van, so. Thanks for sticking around.
Peace in the Middle East. Bye-bye.
Hang loose.
Bicycle.
I don't know what I did the whole time.
If you haven't subscribed to the Floyds, what are you doing with your life? Honestly.